What guys, this is JJ Gold and welcome back to my next video. You know guys, I am Jamaican, yeah? So, I'm gonna do for you guys, I'm reacting to some Jamaican accents, yeah? Sorry guys, I'm reacting to Jamaican adverts, yeah? In Jamaica. So yeah, see what it's like in Jamaica, so I'm reacting to Jamaican accents. Especially my blood is, wait, I need to turn it down. Oh. Spiritually, guys, I am Jamaican, but spiritually, I am I am half Jamaican. I am half Saint Lucia. So my mum is Jamaican, my dad is Saint Lucia, but I don't know. But I'll just say I am Jamaican. So yeah, guys, I'm Jamaican, and so yeah, I read some Jamaican adverts, and so yeah, just react to some Jamaican accents. So yeah, the first one. So yeah. Right. This one is 1999. Alright, here go. Let's see the first. This is the first one. So you go. So that means like that's just I'll go wait for the thing. So that's in Jamaica. What the hell is he doing? Oh, he pushed his car, man. Oh shit. Oh motherfuck. Okay. God, he pushed his car over. So yeah, it's another Jamaican accent called KFC Jamaica. So good. KFC. Oh, KFC! Why do they have KFC on it in Jamaica? Okay. Sorry, business of your KFC. Yeah? So you guys better shut up what it's like, okay? Don't be racist, okay? Yeah, it's about Jamaica, yeah? They do have KFC there, yeah? So don't you complain about what it's like in Jamaica, yeah? Good. Okay. So yeah, the third one, there's another Jamaican ad commercial. Sorry about that. Okay, that was a KFC advert. Oh, that was. So, there's another Jamaican accent, guys, called. There's another Jamaican KFC advert called KFC Jamaica is a big deal for. So, yeah, you see, check this one out. So yeah, I never actually reacted to Jamaica accent before because my mom. Especially like when my mum was in Jamaica, yeah, she's been watching like the Jamaican accents, so she told me what it was like, and that's the time, that was in 2010, and so yeah, let's set this one out. Jamaica's a big deal. You want to be in Jamaica? Go out to the airport. Go on, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Now real about it. Wow, man. That's on Jamaican real accent. If you guys want a Jamaican accent, make sure I'll link it in the description in the below. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, this is some Jamaican adverts and what they do in Jamaica. Some 2 KFC Jamaican nuts. There's some 2 KFC adverts and one saying some 2 music. I like the last one where they did the music. I actually like it. If you guys want to, if you guys like this advert, the last one, yeah, I'll link it in the description and share it. So yeah, guys, you want to share with your friends, share it. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. If you guys want me to do more of those kind of videos like adverts and prank calls or challenges, make sure hit at least 10 likes and don't forget to subscribe. And I thank you guys for 40 subscribers, and yeah, hope I'll get to 100 subscribers at some point. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what you think, guys. I love you, and so peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah, guys, peace.